Well, I'm driving on my way to school, and over there we have 12 Apache helicopters flying into Ft.Carson from North Korea, or from South Korea rather. That's where they were. We're gonna pull over here where we can get a better shot at them. We'll try to speed up. And there one is crossing in front of us. Turn that damn music off. You could hear them. They're flying so low. But yeah, if you look, stopped right here in the middle of the road. But there's 12 of them, Apache helicopters. They did a thing on the news the other day about these helicopters, because 12 of them flew over and I didn't have my damn camera out. So ever since then, they said there's going to be 12 more that were going to be flying above us, heading into Ft.Carson. So I've been keeping an eye out, waiting for them other 12. Well, here we are. And we got them, the 12 Apache helicopters. It's really amazing how low they fly. You know, when they're trying to come in and stuff. But that's all we have for now.